Right now we've got our Google Slides. Now we want to make some changes to what our Google Slides is going to look like. Google Slides, a lot like the same way we had the setup for Google Docs. It's the same thing that we have here for Google Slides. So all those research tools are going to come in a little bit more handy here with this project than it would for, say, a Google document. So if I go into File, again, shows me all the different things I can do with the file. I can download it, I could publish it to the web, I could share it. I go over here to edit. Again, things that I can do: undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, delete, and duplicate. I can view. This changes the view and how I take a look at it. Insert, text boxes. Very important when you're teaching kids to add a text box. This is how you could do it. If I wanted to insert an image, obviously that's how I bring in an image. Comments, anytime I want to add a comment in here. Or I want to make a new slide. I click on that one right there, and that'll make a new slide to my presentation. I go to slides here. Guess what? It gives me the same option, new slide. I could duplicate that slide and also make it so I have the same themes. Okay? I can change the backgrounds, or I can even change the layouts. Now I go into layouts, you'll see that it gives me a couple different options for layouts. I could change the theme. Maybe I don't like steps. I could always change that here. Format, I can change things like the bold, italic, underline, all those kinds of things. You notice that some of these aren't lit up as I'm going through them. That's because there's nothing to change right now because I haven't gone in and done anything to my Google Slides. The arrangement just changes how things are laid out in my slide. Tools, I've got my all-important spelling tool. Here's that research tool that we got to use when we were talking about Google Docs. This is a fantastic tool for this particular program. And I go into table, I can insert tables if I wanted to insert a table here. And I could change what the table looks like. Maybe I make it 4 or 3 columns in 5 rows. Maybe I make it just 1 by 1. And then, of course, anything that I need to do with help. Then when it comes to time to actually present my presentation, I can go into present, and then that would change the whole screen. Or I can present it with speaker notes. And see if down here, I can put speaker notes here. So if my screen was projecting onto a big whiteboard, then I could put that. I could be looking at my screen while everybody else only sees just the actual slide. And again, comments and share. Right now it's private only to me.